brand new 992 GT3 Fire in a 48 Special. This thing is sick. Yo, what is up guys, back in another video. We got the Aprilia out here, RSV4 Factory 1100, and we got the one and only Street Fighter Gabe out here. You already know the deal. A lot of Street Fighter in SoCal. Oh yeah, he's moving, but we do got carbon everywhere. You already know the deal. What is up? Yes sir. The ape looking fire today, SC Projects Titanium. We're headed to a night car meet, exotic car meet. Y'all like these type of videos, so without further ado, let's hear the startup on the ape. Woo! This guy sounds good. Just filled up 21 even 4 gallons. Thing was bone dry. And now we're headed to the meet. Exotic car meet. Should be pretty fire. I went to this one last week, bro, and I guess my camera was dead, so I got nothing. So pulling up again this week on the 8. Basically brand new. Love this bike. And I guess I'll catch y'all there. Bro, this bike sounds so fire. It has the shifts to Ducati and it sounds a little bit better than most bikes. Woo! Bro, it smells so fire right now. It smells like chicken and rice. I don't know why it smells so fire. Oh my goodness. What is that smell? That thing's so loud. Loudest Street Fighter for sure. We're pulling up. Pretty packed already. You already know. Older Porsche right there. Pretty packed. Oh, we got GT3 RS, 720, Rolls Royce, 570 back there. Another GT3 RS. This thing's fire. What we got in the back right here? We got a Huracan in the back. GT3 48 Special. Nothing really too crazy here, to be honest. We're gonna pull back up around. Say what's up to some of the boys.
A little too close, my boy.
I'm sick.
I'm sick.
What's up? What up, what up? What's up?
How's the drive here?
Not too bad, not too bad.
It's hard, bro. I've never seen this in person.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Let's go. Appreciate it. Go.
Which one of you was talking to you? Is this one?
That's that one.
Huh? Is it cammed or? No, it's not cammed. So, were you just doing this the whole time? I'm sick.
The fucking shot.
I was gonna put a pit limiter on it. Oh my god.
I'm dead. Alright, we got a GT3 in here. Brand new 992 GT3 Fire in a 48 Special. This thing is sick. You should leave the ape right there actually for now. But we're gonna walk around real quick. Look at all the cars in the wall though. Damn, see the Brabus G-Wagon. Sheesh. It's pretty sick though. Not gonna lie. They got a little F2 car, I wanna say? Not really for sure. But a bunch of other cars out here. GTR 720. 570. There's Gabe. Yeah, that's for sure Gabe. Fire GT3 RS with that Nardo gray carbon hood. What up, what up? 720 AMG GTR M4, another not M2. Not really a lot of cars out here, just kind of the same stuff that's usually out here and stuff. Nothing really too crazy out here, same stuff like usual. BMWs, McLarens, G-Wagon though, fire. Wait, what is that? Look at the wrap on this M3. What the heck? That shit's so fire. With the roof, with the ski box on top. Dang. Okay. And then the GT3 RS, fire. Real fire. But GTR, honestly, probably about to head out. There's nothing really too crazy here besides the big body Benz, Rolls Royce. Oh, there's another actually GT3 RS over there in the white. That looks looking fire. And to back into the inside, Rolls Royce F2 or F3 car, I'm not really for sure. Yeah, we're heading out. Ooh, sounds fire with the GTR. Thank you.
What is the model?
Aprilia.
Aprilia?
Yeah.
Which year?
2021.
Sun gray.
Thank you. M4, we out of here though. Hungry, about to get some food. Oh, that's fire. Bentley Bentayga, Aston Martin. Oh, Dick. What is happening in here? Is there more cars in here? I just headed out, about to grab some food. Meat was whatever. I don't know if the video is long enough. Hopefully it is. If not, it's a short video. But you already know the deal. Gotta count your blessings. Thank God. Tell your friends and family you love them, because you never know it's your last, and these speed bumps are not it. But thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, drop a subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.